Good morning, students. Today we start question number 20, question number 11 of exercise 3.3. Question number 11, cos 3 pi by 4 plus x minus cos 3 pi by 4 minus x is equal to minus root 2 sin x. Minus root 2 sin x, correct? This is the question number 11. We apply in this question we apply formula cos x minus cos y. Formula is minus 2 sin x plus y by 2 sin x minus y by 2. We apply this formula. Already I have told to you, right? Apply this formula. Left hand side. Left hand side cos x minus cos y. That is minus 2 sin x plus y by 2. This is complete x. This is y. 3 pi by 4 plus x plus 3 pi by 4 minus x divided by 2. Right? And the second next sin x minus y by 2. X minus y by 2. This complete x. This complete y. 3 pi by 4 plus x minus y. This is y. 3 pi by 4 plus x divided by 2. Right? Minus 2 sin. You know that x to x cancel? X to x cancel. 3 pi by 4 plus 3 pi by 4. 3 pi by 4 plus 3 pi by 4. 6 pi by 4. 6 pi by 4 divided by 2. Here sin this to this cancel. X plus x 2x by 2. When you simplify this, it becomes 3 pi by 4 and this is sin x. 3 pi by 4, clear? Now can you break 3 pi by 4? Now can you tell me what is the value of sin 3 pi by 4? Sin 3 pi by 4 you can break. Sin 3 pi by 4 you can break pi minus pi by 4. Now can you tell me this is the formula sin pi minus theta. We apply here formula pi minus theta, sin pi minus theta. Pi minus theta lies in second quadrant, and in second quadrant sine and cosec are positive. Therefore you can say that is equal to sin theta. And it is the case of 180, it is the case of pi, so t ratio not changed. Clear? So you can apply here formula. According to that formula you can write sin pi by 4, that is sin x. Now can you tell me the value of sin pi by 4? Sin pi by 4, sin 45. Sin 45 you know, minus 2 by root 2. That is sin x. And 2 by root 2 mean root 2. When you rationalize, that is equal to right hand side. Yeah, 2 by root 2. When you rationalize, it will become root 2. You know very well. So this is the solution of question number 11. Very important question. Next, we solve question number 12. Question number 12. solve question number 12. Question number 12. Sine square 6x minus sine square 4x is equal to sine 2x sine 10x. And the question number 13, cos square 2x minus cos square 6x, that is equal to sine 4x or sine 8x. This is question number 12 and 13. Question number 12, left hand side, sine square 6x minus sine square 4x. Apply formula a square minus b square. A plus b, a minus b. You can write sine 6x plus sine 4x and sine 6x minus sine 4x. Here you can apply formula sin x plus sin y, sin x plus sin y and sin x minus sin y. There are two formulae. Sin x plus sin y, 2 sin x plus y by 2 cos x minus y by 2 and sin x minus sin y, that is 2 cos x plus y by 2 and sin x minus y by 2. Apply these two formulae. Here I apply this formula, 2 sin x plus y by 2, x plus y by 2, x plus y by 2, it means 6x plus 4x by 2 cos 6x minus 4x by 2. This is the first solution of first bracket. Second bracket, apply formula here, this formula here, apply this formula here, 2 cos 6x plus 4x by 2 and sin 6x minus 4x by 2. Okay. Here when you simplify it become 6x plus 4x 10x by 2 5x. It becomes 5x and here cos x. Here cos 5x and here sin x. Now rearrange the term. Rearrange the term. You can write 2 sin x cos x in one bracket and other bracket 2 sin 5x cos 5x. Here, now you can arrange, and this is the formula. This is the formula. Think 2 sin x cos x formula, simple formula. You can say this is sin 2x, and this is also formula, same formula. This is sin double of this angle, and here sin 10x. This is the solution of question number 12. Clear? So very easy. If you use these two formulas, you can solve this question. This is the one method of this question. Another method, second method of this question. Second method, we can apply direct formula. We can apply direct formula. Formula, you know, sin square A minus sin square B, that is equal to sin A plus B sin A minus B. This is the formula. You can apply this formula direct. This is the second method. Sin A plus B, 6x plus 4x, and sin 6x minus 4x. This is sin 10x and sin 2x. Right hand side. If you use this formula, this is formula, correct? Same pattern here. Cos square B minus cos square A. Same formula. This formula you can apply in question number 13. Sin A plus B and sin A minus B. This formula you can apply in this question. Clear? This is the solution of question number 12. Right? Now you can prove this formula. If you want to prove this formula, you can prove. Taking right hand side, you can solve. Right hand side of this formula, that is sin A plus B, sin A minus B. Formula is sin A plus B. Formula sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. Here sin A cos B minus cos A sin B. This is formula, correct? Now you can apply here identity A plus B, A minus B. A plus B, A minus B. This is A, this is B, A minus B. Apply identity A plus B, A minus B, A square minus B square. You can say sin A cos B whole square minus cos A sin B whole square. You can apply this formula, correct? Now you can say this is equal to sin square A cos square B minus cos square A sin square B. Clear? And we want to convert right hand side into the left hand side, and left hand side is in the form of sin only. Then convert the expression in the form of sin. So put the value of this. You know very well. Cos square B, cos square B. Formula of 1 minus sin square B, and cos square A 1 minus sin square A, and this sin square B as it is. Clear? This is identity, sin square A plus cos square A is equal to 1. Now further simplify, multiply with sin square A minus sin square A sin square B minus multiply with sin square B plus sin square A sin square B. Clear? Now this will cancel. The rest term is sin square A minus sin square B. This is left hand side. This is left hand side. Clear? This is the proof of this question. Similarly, you can prove other part. If you want to convert in the form of this, then put the value of sin square A in the form of cos. Sin square A, 1 minus cos square A. Sin square B, 1 minus cos square B. If you put these value, then the same proof for the second part of this formula. Clear? You can finish the proof of this formula. Now, with the help of this formula, you can solve question number 13. Apply this formula here. Apply this formula for this question. Apply this formula. This is the left hand side. This is B and this is A, you know very well. When you compare with this formula, the first angle is B and second is A. You can write sine, that is A plus B. It means 6x plus 2x, and sine 6x minus 2x. Therefore, sine 8x and sine 4x, that is right hand side. This is the formula of right hand side. Clear? This is question number 13. Check again. Now we solve question number 14. Question number 14. Of this exercise, very important question. That is sine 2x plus 2 sine 4x plus sine 6x, that is equal to 4 cos 4x sine 4x. This is question number 14. We have to prove very important question. Left hand side. Firstly, rearrange the term. For example, formula sin x plus sin y, sin x minus sin y, cos x plus cos y, and cos x minus cos y. Four formulae. Firstly, we rearrange the terms according to the formula. Sin 6x, arrange these two terms. Sin 6x plus sin 2x plus 2 sine 4x. Apply here formula. Sin x plus sin y. Apply here formula. Sin x plus sin y. 2 sin x plus y by 2 into cos x minus y by 2. 2 sin x plus y by 2 and cos x minus y by 2 plus this as it is 2 sine 4x as it is. This is the formula. Now simplify the question. When you simplify the question, 6x plus 2x, 8x divided by 2, 4x, cos 6x minus 2x, 4x divided by 2, 4x divided by 2, that is 2x plus 2 sine 4x. Clear? Now, can you solve? You take common sine 4x. You can take common. You can take common 2 sine 4x common. The remaining term, that is cos 2x plus 1. Cos 2x plus 1. 2 sine 4x. Now cos 2x formula, there are 4 formula of cos 2x. Now can you tell me the formula of cos 2x in the form of cos only? Because in the right hand side, cos 2x, right hand side the term in the form of cos. You know formula, you know very well. Cos 2x, that is 2 cos 2x minus 1. This is the formula of cos 2x. Cos 2x. Learn all trigonometric formulae daily. Otherwise, how can you solve the question? If you don't know the formulae, there is no idea to solve the question. Put the value 2 cos 2x minus 1 plus 1 1 to 1 cancel. Now multiply 2 to the 4 cos square x sin 4x. This is the right hand side. Clear? This is the right hand side of question number 14. Clear? Now this is your homework. In question number 15, firstly solve left hand side using the formula sin x plus sin y, and after that right hand side solve separately right hand side using the formula sin x minus sin y. When you separately solve left hand side and right hand side, if both sides are equal, then the question solved. So now your homework in question number 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. Up to 21 you can solve with the help of 4 formulae which I had discussed previously. Cos x plus cos y, cos x minus cos y, and sin x plus sin y, sin x minus sin y. With the help of these 4 formulae, you can solve all the 4 questions. This is your homework. And on your homework, do exercise 3.3, question number 11 to 20. Thank you.